Hi, I'm Jack. I hope this short review can be helpful to anyone who wants to buy a Dyson AM09 hot and cool fan heater. Received this unit on July and I absolutely love it. I just cannot understand the other reviewers who have slated it. Firstly, the noise issue. We recently experienced the hottest day and night of the year, so I used it to cool our bedroom. Within minutes, the temperature was much reduced. I then set the timer to switch off after 2 hours and left it on its setting 5.5 speed. My wife is an extremely light sleeper, but within minutes she was in the land of not. In the morning, I asked her if the fan had troubled her and she said that she'd noticed a slight whisper, but that this had actually helped her sleep. So, yes, it does emit a faint whispering noise, but it is certainly not intrusive and you'd be hard pushed to really notice it. Apparently, previous Dyson fans were noisy, but this latest model is absolutely not. Even turned up full, the noise factor can still only be described as a whisper. It is certainly not troublesome. When watching TV, you certainly will not notice it and you won't need to adjust the volume on your set. As to the hot setting, we also recently experienced a very cool summer evening. The Dyson came to the rescue and within a couple of minutes, our lounge was lovely and warm. Again, the noise emitted was just a whisper. This unit oscillates and also, it is a unique feature in that you can also set it to direct hot or cold air directly at you rather than in a wider beam. There is also a tilt feature which should satisfy any user. I really like the remote control which can be magnetically attached to the top of the fan itself. So in theory, you should never lose it. Aesthetically, this unit is brilliant and has already attracted much admiration from friends. Yes, it is expensive. However, all in all we are definitely pleased we bought it and I would have no hesitation in recommending it to anyone. If you can afford it, don't think twice and like me, you'll soon be a Dyson fan too.